Hi there, everybody. My name is Kayla Adams. I am from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm currently still living in Salt Lake City, Utah. I work for Intermountain Healthcare Recruitment. This is a healthcare company. We are the biggest private employer in Utah. So we have hospitals, clinics, home care, offer all kinds of services. I work in the HR business department as a sourcing specialist. So just helping our talent acquisition. I'm the recruitment liaison for our diversity council, as well as community outreach. So I get to do a number of things. Just a little bit about me. I'm 27 years old. I have my undergraduate degree in anthropology with a medical emphasis. And I have worked in politics for mayors. I've worked in all kinds of settings and healthcare and all of that. And I've always wanted to be a sex therapist. So that's why I started the dual degree program at Widener. So I will be relocating to Philadelphia in August so that I can attend for that other piece of my degree so I can be certified as a sex therapist. I am super excited about being at Widener. I hear really good things about the programs from colleagues and from mentors, so I'm super excited for that. I am a little nervous when it comes to it's grad school, so it's going to be harder than my undergrad, I'm sure. So adjusting to that and adjusting, I've been out of my undergrad for 4 years, so adjusting to homework again, that will be a really hard one for me. But I love learning, and I'm super excited to get started and to work with all of you in order to enrich my education. So excited to talk to you guys later, and I hope you have a good day.